Can the Upper East tell us what exactly did John Mahama do for the Upper East region in 8 years? 8 years. Where are the programs? What legacy? What legacy did John Mahama leave in the Upper East region after 8 years? The signature development project for the northern region was SADA. SADA, right? Upper East region. What are the projects that SADA left behind? Can you point to any projects? After $100 million, $100 million, where are the projects? Of course, we know about the guinea fowls that flew to Burkina Faso. They did not do any projects. They spent the money. They spent the money. You have money to come and help your people, to eliminate the poverty of your people. And you engage in projects of guinea fowls flying to Burkina Faso. That is not development. Akufo-Addo's vision is a different vision. With Akufo-Addo, you have your other brother, Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, as vice president, and we are delivering. So far, in Upper East alone, we are doing 1,488 projects, and we have completed 688 projects in 4 years. We have begun the biggest investment in infrastructure in northern Ghana since independence, which is the Pualugu Dam.